President Trump is set to sign the Genius Act into law later today. The crypto legislation passed the House with bipartisan support, along with two other pieces of crypto legislation. Joining us now, Summer Mersinger, CEO of the Blockchain Association. She previously served as a commissioner at the CFTC, nominated by former President Biden, and she will be at the bill signing at the White House this afternoon. Summer, great to have you with us.
Thanks for having me on the show.
Three pieces of legislation. The Genius Act really moved the markets. I'm wondering, Summer, how you envision stable coins and that industry evolving now that there will be regulatory guardrails that are necessary in order to guide the growth of the industry.
Yeah, absolutely. I think you'll just continue to see this industry grow. The guardrails provide the customer protections that were needed to ensure that those who want to be invested in this space have the protections in place that they need. And really what we're seeing is a dollar dominance with stablecoins that will continue. And we're going to fulfill the president's wish of making the United States the crypto capital of the world.
I'm curious, Summer, as to how you think this fits into the traditional banking landscape, insofar as, having more stable coins will enable people to do cross-border money transfers more easily and more quickly, payment settlement to vendors much more quickly and cheaply. And obviously, that takes away from the bank's role in this. The Bank of America, the Citigroup, as well as the JP Morgan CEO all spoke about how their businesses could face some disruption in the long term from stablecoins.
I see stablecoins as a bridge to traditional finance. I think it's only going to make financial services more accessible, more convenient, and those are all good things for the financial industry. So I really see this as a technology that's going to be well integrated into our current financial system and really take us into the next century with financial services.
How do you see this industry evolving? And, in recent months, we've had reports about, for instance, Amazon and Walmart creating their own stable coins for use. Are we going to live in a land where we're going to have companies operating with their own stable coins? And how much interoperability will there be, do you think?
I think that just demonstrates the excitement around the technology that underlines these assets. There's a lot of opportunity, not just with stablecoins, but with blockchain technology generally. So I think what we're seeing is, commercial interest in the technology, in the tokens, and it just it represents how exciting this technology is for the economy.
If you sort of take a step back, for instance, we're focused on stablecoins, but does this pave the way for other things on the blockchain, other steps, in, I don't know, more contracts, more transactions, whatever it may be? How do you look at this as a first step?
Yeah, absolutely. We're seeing more and more activities in the economy go on the blockchain. There's a lot of efficiencies. There's a lot of, record keeping that wouldn't exist, but within the blockchain, these are immutable records. And, so we're going to continue to see that part of the industry grow. I represent over 130 companies, and many of them are doing really amazing things using blockchain technology.
What are some of the latest amazing things that we should be looking for, Summer? And I'm wondering how these companies now, think about their future with the passage of these three key pieces of legislation in the crypto community.
Yeah, the idea is having some certainty so they can continue to innovate and grow. You don't want to invest in technology that you fear the regulators will come in and shut down. So having some clarity, having some certainty will really help these industries continue to do the amazing things. And we're seeing blockchain technology used in everything from cellular phone service to topography services. So there's a ton of applications for the technology, and having that regulatory clarity is really key to ensure that the innovation can continue here in the United States.